Hi friends, in this video I'll tell you about an cold and cough remedy for babies about 2 years of age. This drink also helps to boost the immunity. Tulsi is known as queen of herbs. Tulsi has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that helps to improve immunity and fight against various infections and allergies. To make this drink, we need 4 to 5 holy basil or tulsi leaves and a small glass of water. Nutritional value of tulsi is high as it contains vitamin A and C, calcium, zinc, iron and chlorophyll. To make this drink, take a mixy jar and add this holy basil or tulsi leaves into the jar. And add the small glass of water into the jar and make it into juice using the mixer grinder. After grinding, it looks like this. Next, using the strainer, filter the juice. Yes, the cold and cough remedy for babies about 2 years of age is ready. Give this juice to the babies half an hour before breakfast. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Please do like and share.